Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to the Crafty Bird. I hope you're all doing fine. Today's tutorial is about this beautiful keychain hanger. You can also hang clothes, umbrellas, hats, whatever you like. So let's get started. So I'm using this frame. This is metal frame and it is 10 inches almost in width, and in height it's 5.5 inches. So it is welded by a local welder. I just use a iron rod and then turn this into a iron frame. These are 60 inches long cords folded in half, and by the help of lark's head knot, I'm attaching these over this metal ring. 24 cords, all cords are 60 inches long. Divided into 3 groups, and each group is having 8 cords that will make 4 square knots in a set. So as you can see, I just have these V-shaped pattern here by the help of square knot. Now we will make hitches like this. We will cross this and do this. Okay, so we don't have to keep it too tight here. We can leave a little distance from the square knot and between this double half hitch, a minor distance. Then the same thing by using this cord here. So once this is achieved, now we have to pick these cords. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 here. So 8 cords on each side. Now we have to leave this one and leave this one, pick this and pick this, and by aligning these cords properly, just make a grand square knot here. And keep it straight with these corners, these points. Like this. And here also, leave these, pick these two, align the ropes, and make a grand square knot. Now we will complete it by making a double half hitch rope like this. We have 8 cords on each side. So wrap 8 cords on this side and 8 on the other side. Don't mix them up. Always count your ropes when you are working so that it will be easier for you to make a very nice and symmetrical pattern. So what we have now, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and the last one 8. Similarly here. So once this is done, now we are again making some square knots, and keep a little distance empty and then start square knots. So once this pattern is done, now you will just pull all these cords behind, and by the help of double half hitch, pull the cord, pull this so that it will be like nice, tight. So here this will be a little tricky because we have these hooks hanging here, but you need to be patient and just start double half hitches here. You can skip one cord from each. Like I'm skipping this fourth one from this, now I'm skipping this one and just holding these central two cords, and I'm making double half hitch. Pull it so that we don't have any distance in the square knots and the rest of the pattern. We can skip this one and then we can grab the other fourth one. So by skipping one or two cords, finish your double half hitches nicely and neatly. just completed our project today. I hope you love this beautiful small project we did today. You can use it as a hanger, you can hang your clothes, your hats, keychains, umbrellas, or whatever you like. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Until the next tutorial, please take care of yourself and Khuda Hafiz.